and welcome to WAEC 2019 Chemistry Past Questions. I will be answering question number 13. The question is, what percentage by mass of hydrogen is present in CH3COO3, which is ethanoic acid? A, 1.7%, B, 5.0%, C, 6.7%, D, 7.1%. Now, in order to find this, to solve this question, you need to first find the total mass of the element you are looking for. That is the total. You have to first of all find the total mass of hydrogen and divide it by the molar mass of this compound. So you find the total mass of hydrogen in this compound and then divide it by the molar mass of this compound. So in this compound you have 3 molecules of hydrogen plus 1, that is 4 atoms rather of hydrogen. Now, percentage by mass of hydrogen is equal to total mass of hydrogen divided by molar mass of ethanoic acid. Now, the total mass of hydrogen, the atomic mass of hydrogen is 1, and you have 4 atoms of hydrogen in this compound. So you have 3 here and 1 here. So that is 1 multiplied by 4 divided by the molar mass of ethanoic acid, which is 60, which has been given to us here. So 4 over 60 is equal to 6.67. Now remember that this is in percentage, so 6.67% is our final answer, and 6.67% is approximately 6.7%, and that is option C, which is the answer to this question. So please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.